Hi, I'm Dr. Jayant Mahajan, a university professor currently on a 20,000 kilometers cycling journey, borders of India, today at Sundarban wetlands. Sundarbans, the 27th Ramsar site in India and the largest wetland. This is also a largest mangrove forest in the world. Sundarban consists of hundreds of islands, a maze of rivers, creeks nestled in the delta formed by Ganga and Brahmaputra on the Bay of Bengal in India and Bangladesh. Sundarban consists of hundreds of islands, a maze of rivers and creeks. I'm glad that during my 20,000 kilometers journey along the borders of India, I had a chance to meet Save Wetlands International Movement team members, SWIM, and had a chance to meet the founding members, Mr. Thomas Lawrence and Sushil Thomas, both graduates from College of Engineering, Trivandrum, and had an opportunity to see first-hand of their contribution to protect the Veliyakulam wetland and Velian wetland and its lake. I was even able to swim in the Veliani lake during my visit to Trivandrum. With the efforts of SWIM, both the lakes are in the process to be designated as Ramsar site. All the data collection to fill Ramsar information sheet was done by SWIM volunteers under the leadership of Resham George, Technical Director SWIM, Miss Induja Raj, Advocate Panchami Menon, Riti Olikal, Advocate Anjali Rajgopal, Mr. Tom John from Barin, Mr. Somleta, Rohan, Sushil and Shine Divakaran, Padma Kumar, Shri Kumar Menon and Karthik G from Alia Engineering College Palakkad under the leadership of Dr. Jayashree Venkatesan and Muthu Karthik from Care Earth Trust. They were able to fill the Ramsar information sheets RIS only because of the support extended by Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Vijayan, Honorable Minister of Forest Shri A.K. Sasidharan, former Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Ms. Prakriti Srivastava, E. Pradeep Kumar, and current APCCF Shri Pramod Krishnan, IFS. Team SWIM was trained under Amrit Dharohar scheme to protect wetlands by Dr. Jyotish, Dr. P.S. Essa, Dr. Padma Kumar and Dr. E.J. James. Mr. Dhruv Verma from Wetland International Southeast Asia, WISA, has enlightened Team SWIM members under Amit Dharohar scheme. Also, on the avian fauna details, under the leadership of WWF State Coordinator Ranjan Varghese and officials Annu and A.K. Sivkumar. The support from State Wetland Authority, John C. Environment Program Manager and Wetland Specialist Junida Hassan is really commendable. The Technical Committee of the Wetland State Authority under Dr. Manoj Samuel, Director Center for Water Resource Development, was instrumental to move forward on 4 Kerala wetlands as Ramsar site. Within few days, the paperwork will be over and it will be sent to Ministry of Environment and Forest and will be forwarded to Ramsar Secretariat in Gland, Switzerland. SWIM is working on this project since 2017, and as a part of my cycling journey, I am really happy to plant this logo of Save Wetland International Movement on the largest wetland in India, the Sundarbans. Thank you.